Welcome to SJD Automation. We help you in technology. In today's application, we will obtain a real graph and a table for real voltage, current, and power factor using IoT. In this application, we will obtain a real graph between real voltage and power factor and another graph between real current and power factor. At a time, we will obtain or we will observe the behavior of voltage and current with respect to real power factor. After entering IP address, we will get a screen like this. If you observe the screen, there is a button here at the corner, load values to graph and table. By pressing that table, the values of the real voltage and real current are loaded to both graph and the table at a time. At the same moment, both graphs will obtain at the instant. Now I will show how the graph will be obtained. By pressing the button, load values to graph and table. So at what values I want the graph, I can choose. Now I am pressing the button so that graph will appear like this. If you observe, both graphs are obtaining at the same time and the same values at what points the graph is drawn is loaded to the table shown below. Now I am pressing the button once again so that the new values added to the graph with respect to what time we loaded. If we observe the topmost point at 8:29:50 pm, the voltage is 222.74 and the current is 20.55 and the power factor is 0.96. That is the third point of the graph. If we observe the topmost line, that line is the voltage versus power factor graph line, and below red line is the current versus power factor graph line. So we are observing both voltage and current behavior with respect to the power factor at that instant. If you place the mouse at one point, it will shows at what power factor what will be the voltage. On the screen I am showing at the second point, that is at 0.96, the voltage is 220.06. Similarly, at the same instant, what is the current value? The current value at the same instant is 20.53 amperes at 0.96 power factor. I am showing the power factor in the meter, which is the real power factor of the load. That variations what we are loading in the graph. Up to now we observe the graphs and table on the Windows platform. Now we will see the same application on the mobile Android platform. By entering the IP address, we will get the screen like this. Now by pressing this load value button, we will get the graph. If you observe, both graphs are loaded at the same moment. The values are loaded to the mobile. Every time we press the button, the graph and table gets updated. And here also if you observe the last point, that is 219.77 is the voltage, current is 20.55 and the power factor is 0.96. So similarly here also if we place our pointer, this application has vast area, that is here we have chosen a static load so that we obtain voltage, current and power factor characteristics. If you choose a motor load, there we can easily observe so many parameter changes, that is we can obtain power versus current characteristics, torque versus current characteristics, etc. That is, for one parameter change, what parameter will change we can easily obtain. That is nothing but at a time we will see all parameter behavior changes.